Building systems that sets you up for success, doing the work and being very consistent. These are all the advices that we hear on social media nowadays to achieve a certain goal. But these are not going to work in today's world because everyone has access to the same amount of information in today's world. We all have internet connection and everyone can do anything on earth. So we must change our approach and our habits so that we can get different results. Some people might prefer hearing to podcast in morning, some people might prefer to hear affirmations in the morning, wake up 6 a.m. in the morning, go to gym, do workout, drink water, and also read self-help non-fictional books. These are very overrated advices and they are also outdated. These are not going to get you any results which are very different. So, getting different results is all about having different habits than most of the people. I am going to talk to you about those unconventional habits in this video which sets you apart and also be the top of your game. First thing is, don't read the same books that everybody else reads. You see, most of the people recommend books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, and 5 a.m. Club. These books are very overrated and they are going to be outdated 5 years down the line, because when a thing or a book is recommended by a lot of people or endorsed by a lot of people, it becomes irrelevant and becomes very conventional. It's not unconventional anymore because everyone has that information with them and everyone knows it. Most of the people just follow it, right? So it automatically becomes conventional and irrelevant. So you can read books like fiction books or story books. It doesn't have to be always non-fictional self-help books that is preaching you something. It doesn't have to be like that. You can just read fictional books, and if you really want to read non-fictional books, you can just go to Google and type something. Just type randomly and you will find those amazing books on Google which are very underrated or not recommended by most of the people, and these books are really very amazing to read because I've done that. And also they have a lot of new information which are not stated on these very famous books. So I would really recommend you people like Elon Musk and billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg. These people we see, they read dystopian novels and they believed that they can make it into a reality, and they thought that this world is amazing to live in. That's why they believed it and they made it a reality. It doesn't always has to be reading those self-help books, and also learning from everywhere. Let's say you're traveling and you're going somewhere in a bus and you're usually doing the same thing, which is putting your head down and taking your phone and scrolling on Instagram. And then suddenly the bus stops and you see a Rapido, a car on the outside, and again the bus moves and you just again scroll. Now, instead of doing this, you can just Google about what Rapido is all about and how it started, who found that. And by doing this, you can just take learnings from everywhere. If you notice a thing that is very peculiar and if you haven't seen that thing till now, you can just Google it and you can really know a lot about it. You will become the smartest person. Also, when you sit near a person in a bus or auto, you can just really observe what people are talking about and what are their reactions, how people react, what are those things that happening around you. Because when you observe those things, you become better at understanding people's emotion, what makes people happy, what makes people angry, and what makes them sad. You really become good at detecting these emotions and you really can learn a lot by others. This is really an interesting way to know more about people's emotions and their third thing that I'm going to say is really an interesting one. People hear songs, right? We all hear songs all the time. But how many of them hear songs in very different languages and different cultures? Most of the people say they don't understand it, they don't like the vibe, they don't like the artist, some people say, but What if I tell you that hearing songs in different languages exposes you to different cultures, and you might really start to explore that city, and it might become your dream city one day, and you might just want to visit the city. You'll really know more about culture and how these artists perform, and you'll know more about the artist's life, which might motivate you in some circumstances. It motivates you to learn a new language, and the interesting part is you'll learn to write creatively and also express yourself more creatively, because when you hear songs in a different language and a different tone, you just know how to express a thing very creatively and also express your emotions in a better way. So that's really an interesting way to become creative and also learn. Never accept something fully, because when you accept something fully, you just stop questioning that thing and you'll just accept it, and you won't see the bigger picture beyond that thing. It just limits you to this certain circle and it doesn't allow you to think more. So never accept it fully. You can just hear whatever people says, and you can really agree to an extent of a 60%, and you can just really question them about why they say these things. Even if it is said by your favorite influencer or your favorite author, you should never accept them fully. Always try to question them and always get more answers from them, so that it will really help you to understand the thing better, and also you'll have your own perspective. This leads me to the fifth point. Always find your own perspective and use your own experience, because whenever you read a book or see something very different, or whenever people say something to you, you just have to have your own perspective on those things and also put it into action and gain your own experience, which is going to make you more stronger, and also you're going to trust yourself in the process. Don't just, even if that is conflicting with others' opinion, it doesn't matter as long as it is obtained from your own experience and it is based on your own perspective. So there you go, the problem solved, and you're going to get a lot of different results by choosing to follow these habits and incorporating them into your life.